up and welcome back to Vibe with V. We are now vibing. Tonight is ladies' night. We decided to have a girls' night, so we wanted to do something super fun for y'all. We wanted to do a little cheese plate. For all you bougie babes, this is a charcuterie board. So I had to call over the queen of charcuterie.
Thank you.
Hey, she makes the best boards. I mean, come on, look at this.
I'm the designated cheese board queen for holidays, for parties, and this is perfect to take to barbecue, date night, girls' night.
Hey, that's right. So if you are digging this whole look and you want to see us vibe, then come and follow along. All right, so one thing we love about charcuterie boards is they're so versatile. You could virtually add anything and just make it work. So we're gonna go a little fancy and add a whole bunch of goodies, but you don't have to add all of this. You could really play around with it. This is just so you get the basic concept. Okay, so we start with these solid cheeses. You can use brie or smoked gouda. Next, we're gonna fill our bowls. These bowls are amazing to keep things in place. Go ahead and play around with the contrast of the bowls, like we're putting the green olives in the gray bowls, the pistachios in the black bowls. You get the point. You want to add something sweet because there's nothing better than a sweet bite after you stuff your mouth in cheese. Now we're gonna add our pre-cut cheese. Notice we're spreading them out on the board. We're not just plopping them right next to each other. Let's go ahead and throw in our sausage. Move things around as much as you want. Start playing around with it. Look at these beautiful grapes. Keep them on the stem and don't worry if there's holes. If there's holes, you just want to pop those grapes in and voila. We rolled up our prosciutto and we just want to stack them up. For the pepperoni and the salami slices, we folded them twice and bunched them together. I love the shape these take. All right, so now let's go and throw some crackers.
Okay, my dad loves cheese. We do cheese for every holiday now, cheese boards. He's gonna absolutely love it.
He's gonna be so proud of us too, because you know, way back when we weren't eating the healthiest.
I mean, Taco Bell every day.
McDonald's,
Hot
you know.
Cheetos.
We would have softball games and I would be in there eating tortas.
We're the worst. Okay, we grew up.
We grew.
This is our snack now, a charcuterie board.
This is looking so good,
It's
girl.
looking so good. I can't wait to dig in.
This is where it gets fun, like when you start stacking and then, you know, pushing things aside and like, ooh, I'm gonna put some goat cheese right there.
Yeah,
you know what I'm
perfectly.
It actually looks good when it's crowded because it's like so visually appealing and you're like, ooh, what do I get first? You know what I'm saying?
I know. You don't even want to dig in when it's all done.
Seriously. You got this? You got this?
Okay.
All right.
Let's scoop
see.
it in there.
Okay,
Because
so
goat cheese is really creamy and melty.
and like,
Oh my god, so
yummy.
This is goat cheese with herbs.
Yum. Okay, so how about we throw it like over here somewhere?
It's okay. Hide it. Push it down.
What's next?
Nuts. These are candied walnuts. They're super yummy.
Yum.
Put them right next to the goat cheese. Okay, then we have some sesame almonds.
The girls are here! Yay! Let's go! Okay, so now let's go ahead and add some strawberries and berries. We like to just pop these around just to give it some color. Okay.
I think this is pretty much done.
I think it's perfect. Like, it looks so pretty.
I don't even want to eat it.
I know, I don't. I just want to take pictures with it. So the thing with it is have fun. You know, if something's not working, move it around. If you mess up, just pop something over it. You know, there's no mistakes, there's just happy accidents.
Yeah, and you can add anything to your cheese board. Different types of cheeses, fruit, especially what's in season, the fruits in season. You can add on chocolate. There's like no wrong answers when it comes to cheese boards.
Never wrong answers with cheese boards. Should we reveal our beautiful cheese board?
I think it's time. And now we're finally done.
Hey, and there you have it, bougie ass cheese board.
Charcuterie board.
Charcuterie board. I'm newly bougie, so I don't know the words to that one, but you learn, all right? Here you go. You could put so many different things on it, so go ahead and let us know what you like in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like or subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get prompted every single time I post.
We almost forgot about the best part.
Best part, cheers. Cute, cute, cute. Thank you, cheers. Thank you so much for coming and showing the people how to make this beautiful creation. This, seriously, I don't even want to eat. It's so beautiful.
No, it's beautiful.
Done! Hey, let's go drink some wine.
I know, it's beautiful. And